Hello,
Hello, ma'am.
welcome and thanks for joining us today at Drone Expo Conference 2025. Our audience would really glad to know about your experience at Drone Expo and what products you are showcasing today. Let's begin with the first question. Could
Yes,
you please introduce yourself and tell our audience about your company?
yes. Myself, Dr. Narsimhan. I am the general manager of this company. Our company is Dr. MGR Aerospace. Our CEO name is Mr. Kamalagasan and Raghu. They are the CEO of the company. I am very glad to tell about my MD of Mr. Engineer Arun Kumar. He is very helpful for us. He is only doing all the needs to us. He is a major part of our company. Our company is majorly focused on the drone sectors. Main focus for the drone and naval product.
Okay.
Yes.
So, sir, which products or solution you are showcasing at Drone Expo today?
Yeah, we have an type certified drone for agriculture. For this is an unique drone. We have got a type certificate from DGCA, and also we have an defense sector, and also for marine, also for fire department. All these drones are made by our team and team members, and also we have an separate team for an R&D. So we have developed, we have a research, and we made the drones for the customers.
Wonderful, sir. In your views, what are your strengths or USB which keeps you unique from others?
Yeah, we have a strength of our drone is India's first dual payload drone. It is a strength of our uniqueness. It is not an uniqueness. It is a very innovative thing we have made it. The dual payload is a concept which made by our team. The farmers want to offer and 2.5 lakhs for a drone means they should have an at least the drone should have an at least several applications to use case. For that only we have made the drone for in a single drone the dual payload can be hacked.
Okay.
This is a major.
Do you have any message you would like to share with your potential customers, visitors, or individual exploring your booth today?
Yeah. Past 3 days, the customers are very engaging to visit our stall to see the drone which have displayed over here, and also which farmers are very engaged to see the our new unique drone, and also we have got an order from the direct from the farmers, and we are going to supply the farmers by next week from this expo.